Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you will be fine. This is Oxford Social Studies for Class 2. Come to the page number 39. First of all, mention date and day on the top of the page. Today we are going to start unit number 4 and the title of the unit is Natural Resources. Natural Resources. And chapter number 5 and the title of the chapter is Animals. Animals. Like people, plants and trees, animals also live on the land. In this chapter, we will discuss about different types of animals and their advantages. Now let's start reading. All land animals get their food from the land. We get food from some animals. Cows, goats, camels, and sheep give us milk and meat. Animals are very important and useful, especially for people, because we get meat and milk from them. For example, we get meat and milk from cows, goats, camels, and sheep. You can see these animals in this picture. Next, hens and ducks give us meat and eggs. So we also get meat and eggs from hens and ducks. Warm clothes are made from wool. We need them to keep us warm in winter. Wool comes from animals like sheep. So we also get wool from animals like sheep, and we need woolen clothes to keep us warm in winter. Come to the page number 40. The skin or hide of some animals is used for making things. So we make things from animal skin or hide. For example, leather shoes, wallets, and bags. Next, animals are used for carrying things. We also use animals like camels, horses, and donkeys to carry load from one place to another place. Next, some animals pull carts. They take us from one place to another. Some animals pull carts, and cart is one of the old means of transport. It takes us from one place to another place. Next, some people ride animals like mules and horses to take them places. So some people use animals for riding like horses, camels, mules, and donkeys. Next, what did you learn? Question number 1. Answer the questions in your notebook. A. Why is land important for animals? And the answer is some animals make their homes on the land. They get their food from the land. Number B. What do we get from animals? Make a list of 10 things. And the answer is we get milk, butter, leather, meat, eggs, wool, yogurt, cheese, honey, and silk from silkworms. Come to the next page, that is page number 41. My page. Write at least 5 sentences on how plants and animals are useful for us. Add drawings to illustrate your work. So you have to write 5 sentences on how plants and animals are useful for us. And you can also add drawings to support your idea. So that's it for today's class. I hope the lesson was very interesting and you have understood each and everything. Take very good care of yourself. See you in the next lecture with new topic. Allah Hafiz.